Hey everyone! Welcome to today's quiz session, where we'll test your knowledge on a common but often confusing pair of words, a while and a while. Before we jump into the quiz, let's quickly understand the difference between these two so you can score full marks. Many people get confused between one-worded a while and two-worded a while, but the difference is actually simple. One-worded a while is an adverb, meaning for a short time. You can use it alone, like in the sentence, "Let's rest a while before continuing." Two-worded a while is a noun phrase, meaning a period of time. It often comes after a preposition like for or in. For example, "I'll be back in a while." Now that you know the difference, let's put your knowledge to the test. I'll give you 20 sentences with a blank, and you have to choose the correct option, a while or a while. Let's see how many you can get right. Stay tuned till the end to check your answers. Let's get started.